Okay, today we're going to be talking about the difference between K and Cuál. They both have accents because we're talking about them with reference to question words, and question words always have accents on them. So usually K means what and Cuál means which, but there are some places where they're interchangeable and some places where you can only use one or the other. So, something important. When you're using the verb ser, K means something very different than Cuál. So, for example, if I said, ¿Qué es el libro?, I would be asking for a definition. So that would be like if I have absolutely no idea what a book is, and I want you to explain it to me, I would say, ¿Qué es el libro?, what is a book? And then you would tell me a book is a collection of pages that are bound together in a hardcover or whatever, the definition. If I say, ¿Cuál es el libro?, or plural, ¿cuáles son los libros?, I'm asking for any other information. So if I use the verb ser with cuál, that means I'm asking for anything that's not a definition of something. So ¿cuál es el libro? Would be like, which one is the book? Or like, which book is the one that you're talking about? Which one is the most interesting? Whatever. I'm asking for information or specific information about this book and not the general definition of a book. K with ser, definition. Cuál with ser, literally anything else other than definition. Okay, a couple of other rules that are important. If you have one of the words followed by a noun, you can never use cuál directly after a noun. So, for example, pintura is a painting. You have to use K. If it's right in front of a noun, it has to be K, it can't be cuál. So, ¿qué pintura prefieres? Would be literally, what picture do you prefer? In English, you can say which, or painting, sorry, not picture. In English, you can say which painting do you prefer, but in Spanish, you can't say that. You have to say what painting do you prefer. So, if it's followed by a noun, you have to use K, not cuál. If it's followed by day, you're going to have to use cuál and not K. So, ¿cuál de las pinturas prefieres? Which of the paintings do you prefer? If it's followed by de, you have to use cuál. Both of these are basically saying the same thing. You just have to know that grammatically, if it's with de, it has to be cuál, and if it's with the noun itself, no de, it has to be K. So, just a little bit of practice. Okay, so, ¿qué página? Because página is a noun, so I can't use cuál. Ugh, this pen is killing me. ¿Qué página? Literally what page, but what you're asking is which page, but because página is a noun and it's right before it, you can't use cuál, so it has to be K. ¿Qué página? What page? Like what page are we on? You'd have to say ¿qué página? Blank es la mejor comida. So this is going to be cuál. We have ser, so remember K would be asking for a definition. ¿Qué es la mejor comida? Would be what is the best food, and I would tell you it is the food that is the best. But if I say ¿cuál es la mejor comida?, I'm asking not for a definition, but for anything else. So ¿cuál es la mejor comida? Which is the best food? And obviamente the answer is macaroni con queso. Blank es el tango. This one is going to be K, because I'm asking for the definition, right? What is the tango? The tango is a dance that is very popular in Spain and Argentina, etc. What is it that I'm asking for the definition? Okay, blank libro es el más interesante. Libro is a noun, so it's going to have to be K, because I can't have cuál right before a noun. So, ¿qué libro es el más interesante? What book is most interesting? In English, you would say which book, but because it's a noun, you can't use cuál. So, ¿qué libro es el más interesante? And obviously, it's Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. And then, blank son las películas más recientes. Ser, I'm using the verb ser. And remember, K is going to be a definition. So I can't use K, it's going to have to be cuál, and then it's something plural, because it's son. Oh my gosh, pretend that that's a U, and that's an A, with an accent. This marker is terrible. Okay, ¿cuáles? Yeah, that looks like garbage. Son las películas más recientes. Which are the most recent movies? So I can't use K because K would be a definition, and that would be like, what are the most recent movies? And you would tell me they're the movies that came out most recently. But if I say ¿cuáles?, you would tell me, the movies that have come to the theater most recently, not the definition of that. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.